أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Al-Quran, chapter 5, verse 55. إنما وليكم الله ورسوله والذين آمنوا الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم راكعون. Indeed, your guardian is Allah and His Messenger, and those who believe, who establish prayers and pay zakat while they are bowing down in prayers. Ruku. Unquote. Ya Ali Madad, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. The authentic tradition is well known that this Quranic verse was revealed about Imam Ali alaihi salam, for it was he who gave zakat to a beggar in the state of Ruku, bowing in prayers. And it is also in this verse that the 3 stages of walayat are mentioned in one place, that is, the walayat of God is through the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wa-sallam, and that of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wa-sallam is through Hazrat Ali alaihi salam, the one giving zakat during Ruku. At the time of revelation, nobody had given zakat in the state of Ruku, nor was there an explicit command to give this special zakat. It was only Mawla Ali alaihi salam who gave the beggar his ring. Thus, referring to this event, the walayat has also been incumbent, in addition to that of God and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wa-sallam. Learning the history of this Quranic verse brought to mind the guidance of Mawlana Hazir Imam alaihi salam while celebrating the 10th anniversary of his imamat on November 22nd. He granted this guidance to Ithrip, India, known as Bombay Ismailiya Association at that time. Quote, "It is important that in learning parts of the Quran, you must clearly understand the meaning. If you recite parts of the Quran, certain words must represent to you a concept. If you study the Quran Sharif, this concept will become well known to you and through you to the Jamaat at large. This takes many years of study. I do not want you to think that this can be learned easily or without hard work." Unquote. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.